Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to acquire Spotify Premium for free in 2023. First, let's go to spotify.com. And over here, we have Spotify, the universal online music player. And what we need to do over here is actually sign up for free a trial account. So when you click on sign up, it actually gives us this prompt for free to start listening. So we actually don't want to do this because that is not really going to give us a free trial over here. Let's make one more search for a Spotify trial. So we have the Spotify free trial over here and we simply want to click on the link to receive 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. Once we're on the Spotify website, let's click here to access the start free trial. And now, what this wants us to do is to actually log into Spotify or create an account. If we don't have an account yet, of course, since we don't have an account, let's click on sign up for Spotify. Since I want you to have an easy and smooth user experience, let's just click over here if we want to sign in with Facebook or continue with Google. In this case, I want to continue with Google because that's the most easily accessible account that I have already logged in. So let's just click on our Google account. I want to choose this one since we don't have a Spotify account yet. Let's just click over here on sign up for Spotify. And then, what you need to do is actually click over here and verify your code to actually enjoy the 3 months of free Spotify. So once you've actually received the code over on your email address and then log into the account and then put in the correct details, you will actually receive the code in a few hours or even minutes if you have a fast internet connection. And basically, what you should do is enter the code in the space right here before clicking get started. Once you've actually begun, enter your PayPal account is what you want to do next. If you actually want to start for free trial for 3 whole months, what you can actually need to do is put your credit card details over on here on PayPal, which is actually for free. To actually get started and start the free trial and enjoy free usage of Spotify for the whole 3 months. Of course, cancel the subscription anytime you'd like. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.